Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nissa ANANDA. I'm from PRODI Pendidikan Bahasa Sastra Indonesia. This video to fulfill the assignment English for Tourism course. So I hope you enjoy. Hi. Now I'm gonna review one of the famous food in Indonesia. Already guys know this food, right? Yes, this is seblak. I just visited to Kedai Tehiani to try their signature seblak. As a fan of spicy Indonesian street food, I was very excited to see if this place live up to the hype. Let's try the food first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The base of the soup was very aromatic and flavorful. You can really taste the aromatic ginger, which is the soul of a good seblak. For the serving size itself, it was quite generous for the price. And the place, I think it was very clean and the staff was very welcoming when I arrived. But I'd like to offer some polite feedback for the dish I received today. First, look at this. This is the crackers. The crackers were still a bit tough and undercooked in the center. It would be better they were boiled a little longer to achieve that perfect chewy texture. Second, I remember if I ordered 3 level spiciness, but it felt a bit overwhelming to the point very much the other seasoning. Maybe a better balance between the chili and the savory spices would make it perfect. But I'll try it again. Overall, I really enjoy the vibe of the place, and the broth has a great potential. I believe with a little more attention to the texture of the toppings, this could easily be the best seblak in a town. I think I can't wait to coming back and try it again. So, that's all. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.